In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an email campaign in Constant Contact. First, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to confirm you're in the right workspace if you manage more than one. If you haven't been in for a while, update your profile details so the correct business name and reply information appear in your emails. It's a small step that helps your messages look professional and trustworthy. Next, head over to Contacts to add or import your email list. You can type in contacts one by one or upload a file like a CSV. As you import, map each column to the right fields, first name, last name, and email, so personalization works properly later. Make sure everyone on your list has given permission to receive your emails, and clean out any obvious duplicates or outdated addresses. Organizing people into lists, like customers or event attendees, keeps things tidy and makes sending to the right group fast and accurate. Now, create a new email campaign from the campaigns area and choose email. Give your campaign a clear internal name that you'll recognize later, such as a date plus a short description. This won't be visible to your audience, but it will make tracking and reporting easier. Choose a template that matches your goal, announcement, newsletter, promotion, and customize the design. Add your logo, set your brand colors, and pick readable fonts. Write a subject line that's short, clear, and benefit driven, and include a helpful pre-header to support it. In the email body, keep your message focused, a concise headline, a brief paragraph or two, and a clear call to action button that links to your website or landing page. Use images that are optimized for web so the email loads quickly. Don't forget alt text for accessibility. Before you move on, use the preview and mobile views to confirm everything looks great on phones and desktops, and click through your links to verify they work. When your content is ready, select the contact list you want to send to. Double check you're choosing the correct list, especially if you maintain multiple groups. This is also a good time to review any tags or notes you used during import to ensure your audience is accurate. Finally, send the email now or schedule it for a future date and time that fits your audience's routine. After it's delivered, visit the report section to review key metrics like opens, clicks, bounces, and unsubscribes. Use these insights to understand what resonated and to fine tune your next campaign for even better results.